video, I'll reveal 9 must-know tips that'll launch your e-commerce business into top gear when it comes to driving more sales. But first, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on our new videos that'll help grow your business. Right, let's kick things off with number 1, the side-by-side comparison technique. It's all about psychology here. Giving more than one option is the key to nudge your customers towards the checkout. See, if I say, would you like to buy these headphones? Your brain naturally starts thinking to buy or not to buy. It's a simple yes-no question. But if instead I give you 2 options, would you like to buy these headphones or these alternative ones with extra noise reduction? Your brain now starts thinking, should I buy the pair that fits my budget or the pair that better suits my needs? You can immediately spot the difference, right? This technique has proven to boost sales, which is why you'll always see it on sites like Amazon. For the next tip, we have number 2, offer free shipping to supercharge your conversions. There are so many massive reasons why you would want to do this. The main one, how about the fact that 66% of customers expect free shipping for all online orders, with shipping fees being the cause for almost 70% of abandoned carts? And if that doesn't quite butter your crumpet, 48% of customers will add extra items to their cart just to qualify for free shipping. But to be honest, it's no surprise. The word free can influence even the most reluctant of buyers. A proven strategy you could use here is to add a threshold for when the free delivery applies, so that when the users look at their cart, they see they can get a discount if they just spend that extra £5. This is an excellent way to increase the sale value from that customer and boost your profits. Up next, number 3, create a sense of urgency. Turn your window shoppers into paid customers by adding a sense of urgency, telling them that there is only limited stock available. A good technique is to put the text stating this in red, as color psychology research shows that red is associated with urgency. Building on this, you can escalate that urgency by showing how many people are viewing that product right now. You've probably seen these techniques used by eBay 1,000 times. Feel free to do it your own way, but to boost your conversions, always use powerful words to lure your customers in, like don't miss out, limited time only, last chance, or only X number of days left. You get it. In the end, what you need to do is simple. Make it hard for the customers to think twice. I strongly advise you to implement at least one of these techniques to leverage your conversions in your online store. Moving on, we have number 4, sell the click. If you're running ads to drive customers towards your business's landing page, your main goal is to get them to that page so you can convert them. That's why you need to ensure that your ads don't get too caught up in the product features. Tease the customer by only giving them enough to spark curiosity and get those all-important clicks. Let them know that the answer to their prayers is only a single button press away. On to the next tip. Number 5, hunt for those abandoned shopping carts. This is often an area that people neglect, leaving massive stacks of cash on the table. You must have your shop set up so that if a user doesn't complete their order after filling their cart, they're sent a reminder after a designated period. Even a measure as simple as this will give you a boost in conversions. But if you want to take this further, you can also create a sense of urgency by highlighting how many items are left in stock. If they still fail to purchase, you can even send them discounts on that specific item further down the line. Right, next up we have number 6, use A/B testing. This is where you test out small changes to your e-commerce site to make sure it's got the very best chance of getting those conversions. This includes everything from the color of your Buy Now button to the landing page imagery to the copy in the product description. Just be sure to use whatever you discover is performing best. There are so many software products out there you can use to help with this, such as Unbounce, Optimizely, OmniConvert, HubSpot, and countless others. You're really spoilt for choice, so really there's no excuse when it comes to making sure your site is in tip-top condition. Right, next on the list, number 7, add financing. Long gone are the days when financing only existed for high-ticket items like cars and smartphones. Now, financing can be implemented with a never-ending range of everyday items. In fact, businesses that provide customers with a financing option have experienced a 32% increase in sales. That's quite the boost. You see, by helping people with their cash flow, you are reducing the barriers that stop them from going ahead with a purchase. Want to know more? Then feel free to check out some of the innovative checkout finance tools out there, like Klarna. Number 8, choose the right time. We all know that seasonal holidays bring with them a huge uptick of customers. So make use of these occasions by selling your product as the perfect accompaniment to them to truly reel customers in. For example, are your socks a perfect gift for Christmas? Is your picnic basket the perfect way to kick off the summer? Or are those pencil sets you're offering great for going back to school? Either way, once this step is done, you are good to put them on a mailing list for any further upsells. And last but certainly not least, our final tip is number 9. Make sure you use money-back guarantees. Money-back guarantees alone have been known to grow online sales by over 49%. You probably don't need me to tell you how massive of an increase that is. But guarantees only work if you understand their 2 major functions. First, that they reduce the risk for the customer, stating that if the business doesn't fulfill their promise, the customer is compensated. And second, promising that the business will actually be harmed should it not honour its claims, effectively providing proof of their promises by saying, "We must be telling the truth, otherwise we wouldn't be in business." Let's imagine a gym equipment retailer selling expensive wares labelled the greatest gear of all time, the high price point, and a guarantee that says something like, "Get ripped in weeks or your money back," would help any passers-by overcome the natural skepticism of such a bold claim, therefore reducing the risk to them and in turn boosting sales. So always make use of money-back guarantees that put your money where your mouth is. And that's it. We hope you found these tips useful. If you need help with your marketing, feel free to get in touch with our agency. The link is in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel as we have lots of similar videos coming soon to help boost your sales. See you soon.